Hey guys, it's Stephen Dunn with CORE Therapy and Pilates. I hope you're enjoying the rain this morning. And I wanted to talk about something new that we're offering. It's a brand new back pain workshop. And it's next Monday at 5 p.m. And the workshop is called The Top 3 Tips to Resolve Back Pain While Working from Home. Well, we know with COVID and we know over the last 6 months, people have been home working way more than ever before. And with that, we're seeing an onset of back pain, neck pain, different pains from poor ergonomics while working at home. So we put together this workshop because we're hearing the same complaints over and over from our clients who are having issues with being at a workstation that's not very ergonomic. So we're going to be going over the 3 tips that you can start implementing right away to improve that work situation. There'll be some stretches, there'll be some ergonomic stuff. Some of the things that the person is dealing with, this workshop may not be appropriate for them and they may need more help than what's in the workshop. So it's very helpful for some. Some will need more and will need to take more steps from there. But I wanted to pass that out. It's free, it's virtual. You can actually come into the studio and take it, or you can do it virtually through Zoom. We're going to have both of those options. So join us next Friday. Dr. Andy will be leading the way through the workshop. It is called The Top 3 Tips to Resolve Back Pain While Working from Home. A couple other quick announcements. Our biomat is back in action. We have it here available for use. It's $15 for 15 minutes, $30 for 30-minute sessions. Also, our Pilates for Teens class is Tuesday nights at 5:30. Our gyrotonic for teen athletes is Wednesday night at 5. So y'all take care, and we'll see y'all at the studio real soon. Bye now.